Shopify just leveled up e-commerce forever with their new Renaissance update. So with Renaissance Edition Winter 2026, we have quite a few different features that we need to explore on Shopify. So every year, Shopify has a bunch of new things. First off is Sidekick, which is the AI-powered Shopify expert, which is going to help you in building your business. Then you have Insights, you have complexity that is delegated into your agent. You can automate your workflows and you can do a lot with the Sidekick that you might not even realize is possible. Things from showing high-value products to showing customer data. Then you have Online. So this allows you to validate store changes with A/B testing and an AI tool that simulates shopper behavior. So gone are the days where you could only A/B test your emails. Instead, A/B testing is now available for your entire website. This allows you to see what type of content works best within your e-commerce store. And with their retail functions, they have Tinker. So Tinker is an app where entrepreneurs can play with the latest AI tool in a single place. They have retail tools, which allows you to build your hub, and everything is very simple. You also have their own device available if you have a store in place. So if you have a point of sale, that is going to be simplified. With marketing, their new updates include the Shopify Product Network. And this allows you to find products. You can auto-translate products. You can also incorporate Shopify messaging support into SMS marketing. You also have checkout improvements, which include personalized shop buttons and checkout and account customizations as per the market. You also have operations that are simplified. So you have flexible inventory transfers, quick sale in the Shopify mobile app, as well as updated metrics and widgets for your Apple Watch. So let's actually take a look at some of these features in progress. So what do they actually look like when we're working with these? Now, the way that you're going to access one of the most popular features and the best update honestly has to be their agent. And accessing the agent is very simple. All you need is simply to log on to your store. And once you have logged on, you're just going to click on the top right where you see this icon, this cute little face, and that is your Shopify agent. Now, how do you use your Shopify agent? Well, using your Shopify agent is very easy as well. So all you have to do is you're going to type in anything. Let's say I want to ask it, my product, Luxe Pants. Is the description good? Okay. Let's say I want to ask if the description for this product is okay. And now it's automatically going to detect what product I'm talking about. And then it's going to find the details about that product and whether or not it is actually, a good listing. So the description is functional, but quite technical. It lists the fabric composition. It reads more like a technical spec sheet rather than something that would inspire someone to buy. Consider adding details about the fit, styling suggestions. So I want to ask it to write a description. So I'm just going to ask it to write the description for me. And right now it is going to automatically fetch the data about my product. I'll show you guys my product as well. So this is my fabric. It says fabric style, fabric name, some images, and then it has this description. Now I can click on preview and I can actually preview what this description is going to look like once it is put in. So this allows you to very easily monitor your product and see what the new descriptions or what the changes are going to look like. I no longer have to copy and paste too, because sure, you could have done this on another AI tool, but now this is very integrated. It is automatically going to detect and find the perfect pitch for your product, and you can preview it, you can change it over here, and I'm going to proceed. I like this, so I'm just going to close it out, and then I'm just going to save these changes to my product, and we have a brand new description. So everything is very quick and very efficient with the help of using Shopify's AI agent. It's simple to use, but this is not the only use case that you're going to find for the agent. Let's say that I want to create a hero banner for the Luxe Pants. So predominantly featured on a stylish model. And I'll show you guys what my current website and store looks like so that you guys can see any changes that we are going to make. So currently I have a very basic default store. I haven't done any changes. I haven't added any images. And right now it is going to generate the image. So you guys can see it is creating a hero banner. A hero banner is this image that you're usually going to see at the top of any Shopify store. So right now I'm just gonna wait a couple of seconds for this to be completely generated. Now I like this, but I don't like this section on the left. So remove the text box section on the left, and I'm just going to let it remove that section because I want a plain image and I want to incorporate buttons up top. So I'm just going to click on go to store online editor, and I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds, and then it's just going to allow me to add this. So I'm just going to save this image to my files, and then I can go into my hero, click on image, and then you can see it's automatically going to be added over here. So you're just going to select the image, click on done. Once you've clicked on done, you're just going to close this out, and just like so, we have our image. Now I'm going to remove this text box here, and maybe I want to alter the image further, but you guys can see how we have a pretty decent look over here. I can ask it for some changes directly over here. Now this was just how to build an image. If you're trying to make any store edits as you're working on your Shopify website, that is also very, very easy. Simply click on edit theme, and once you click on edit theme, you can proceed. So what you're going to do is that you're simply going to go on ahead, and let's say I want to maybe change the entire page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Open Sidekick, and I'm going to ask it to add or populate my store with sample images. I'm trying to set up a luxury clothing brand. And right now I'm just giving it a command to populate my store, and it's going to create sample images for my store. And this allows you to simplify a lot of your creation needs, because a lot of the times you're trying to switch between 10 different agents, trying to generate images, generate videos, generate descriptions, generate a good copy. All of that can be done with this singular agent, and it does it all very well. It's very optimized. It does a really great job. So you no longer have to do that anymore. And I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be completely generated. Once it has been generated, you guys can see these are some of the images it has created. I really like this, so I'm going to download this and save it to my files, save this to my files, download, save to files, and download. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on image, and then I can select these images or whichever image I want to add. And then I can use these images to populate my store, just like so. Now, let's say that we have this particular product section. I can click on Open Sidekick, and I want to change the header. Maybe something about the header is just not something that I like. So I can select a certain element and make changes accordingly. Let's say you have a button style you don't like and you want to alter. Just do that and you can proceed. So with Shopify Editions in winter 2026, you're going to find a lot of these amazing AI-powered tools. Not only that, but it allows you to simplify finance, orders, and more. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.